Hello, hello, hello. If you're watching this, you missed day 2 of our week 16 Foundations of Tech lecture. Let's get to it. We are working on checkpoints 3 and 4. Checkpoint 3 was technically due a little bit ago, so either yesterday or the day before yesterday or however long from now you're watching. But you do need to make sure you do that one because it's worth 25 points. That's a lot of points. And it's also like the project. You need to do the project. Otherwise, why even here? So please make this your top priority. If you don't have materials, remember there's an alternative for you posted up, but you need to do some kind of version of checkpoint 3. Today we focused on checkpoint 4, which was the reflection piece, and that's due next Wednesday, the 23rd. We started off with a short warm-up, which was to take a look at some examples of levers and placing fulcrums in those levers to make them work. So I encourage you to check this out on your own. There's a link to it here, and also on my MCPS under modules, there's a link to the warm-up. From there, we moved on to either finishing up checkpoint 3 for some of us, or working in checkpoint 4. I'd like to go through checkpoint 4 really quickly, just to make sure everyone's on the same page here. It basically asks you 4 questions, very straightforward. Did your project turn out the way you envisioned it? So when you drew it and when you built it, was those the same thing? Usually not. Usually you've made some changes. So what are they? And why did you choose to make those changes? What could be improved about your project? Nothing is ever perfect, right? So how could you make improvements? What would those improvements look like? What would they entail? Explain how simple machines work in terms of your catapult. So what is it inside your catapult that allows it to launch a projectile? What kind of advantage does it provide, and what are the trade-offs? Nothing is free, right? You're trading off mechanical advantage to get distal advantage. How does that work inside your catapult? That's what I'd like you to explain for me. And lastly, give me some feedback on the project itself. Did you enjoy it? Do you want to see more similar projects? Do you have any ideas on what kind of project you'd like to do next semester, maybe? Um, was there something you didn't like about the project? Let me know here. I do read all of these and take them into account when designing future course content. If you have any questions, please let me know. Shoot me an email, and we can get together and figure things out. Otherwise, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later.